I'm a big fan of UTK products, or I've had one before as a dancer massage therapist, and I've had their mat and used it quite a lot, so I'm excited to review this. And I love it. So this is a new product that fits around your lower back and upper thigh, so I'm going to go through and show it to you. I will pull out the whole thing in a minute, but this is specifically for your hip. It wraps around and secures around the hip, which is a little bit hard to get with a regular heating pad. This is really nice to get contours around there. But like all of their products, they use far infrared. They use jade stones, which I really love. It does give a really deep heat. I've tried other heating pads, and I definitely love this one. It gives a really, really deep heat. When I had a hamstring injury, actually a tear, it really worked wonders. So here we go. Okay, so this is how it comes, nice rolled up, which is how also you can store it. And then it unrolls like this, and you have to assemble it. So we have the cases and the charging device here, and there you go. And this hooks into the transformer, and then you have a strap. And these are the actual jade stones. They heat up, they get really hot, and they go into the muscles, and then this is going to go around your hip and your leg. What's really nice about this product and their newer products is that now it's adapted to 100 to 240 volts, which means that if you're in the US, you can actually use it overseas. That was one thing years ago. That's why I haven't been using mine, is because my old one couldn't be. But now all of their products have been updated, so you can actually just cut something for the transformer here, and it will actually not be too much. It can handle the higher voltages in Europe and the UK. So I've now set it up. You'll see in a moment it's just warming up to the temperature that I chose. It's not quite there yet. It takes a little time. But I've plugged it in. The transformer hooks into the plug, the cord here, and it's pretty straightforward. There's temperature settings, so you can set it the temperature that you want, as hot or warm as you want, and there is a timer setting that goes up to 4 hours long, but you can do it like I just set it for 30 minutes, and there's also a really nice memory function, so you can set if you have a set temperature and amount of time that you like, you can just put it into the memory system, which is really a nice feature. So it goes up and down by 1 degree, in this case Fahrenheit. I believe depending where you live, some of them come in Celsius, but this one's in Fahrenheit. And then the time settings are here, and then you can, like I said, there's a memory program here. If you hold it down, I think because it's warming up, it's not going to wait. So then you can actually set a set temperature, which I actually did already. I've set it for 115 right now. You can set it for much hotter. That's something, if you've not used one before, you might want to play with cautiously, because it can get very hot, which is good when you're injured. But anyway, you can set it to the way you like it, which is really nice. And you can set a memory function for your favorite temperature and your amount of time that you like. And we're just waiting for it to heat up here. Again, these are the jade stones that heat up, and this is the side that you put on your body, and then this is like a padding on the outside that keeps the heat in and protects anything else from the heat. And I will show you in a minute how that all assembles. It's just warming up right now to my desired temperature that I chose. Like I said, you can get really, really deep, intense heat, or you can do kind of a gentle heat, which I've done right now at 115 Fahrenheit. So we'll see how this works in just a moment. Okay, so I've had it sitting here heating for a while. So this is how you put it on. So it's a nice big area that covers up your body, no matter how big or small you are. So there's a top strap that goes around your waist. So this one is especially targeted for your hip area, although you'll see more you can target other areas as well. But it really covers exactly that hip area. So you can wrap it on the bottom and the top. The strap goes on the bottom, and see, it's nice and long, so I'm more petite, but if you need it bigger, you can, and there's actually an extra strap around here if you need this to go wider. So you can make it go much, much wider if you need. And here you can see that it really covers the back. So if you get sciatica, the nerves are all down through here. Also, if you're a dancer like I am, I've had a hip injury here, and if you have sciatica, this is right where that area needs to loosen up, or if you have performance syndrome. Also, I have endometriosis, and while I was pain in the front pelvis, I find if I use a TENS or keep it back here on this area, it actually really helps. This is really nice because you can actually, the cord is really long, so you could kind of walk around a little bit in your room if you need to, or lay down with it. But it really wraps that heat all around your upper hamstring and your thigh, and it really gets that glute area and your sacrum. The other thing I like is you can actually kind of rotate it also to actually get the side of it actually already does get the side and the front. So if you're having pain more in the front, you want to keep moving your hip flexor or your quadriceps or your pelvis, it actually holds right there too, which is really nice. You can get in the front or target the back areas, and still, even when you target the back, you still get some of the front, and when you target the front, it still gets some of the back. So it's a nice and big area, even though it's small enough to kind of wrap around your body. That's really nice. And as I said, the jade stones, they have nice deep penetrating heat. What's based on far infrared technology, which goes deeper into the muscles, they say, and I actually definitely believe that because I've used their flat heating pad before, which is well. So it's pretty simple and easy to use, and you can see the cord is nice and long, and here's your controller. So this is also really versatile because you can actually use it for shoulder, trap, and upper back pain. You can use it for shoulder blades, or your shoulder, or your arm. It's actually kind of like heating pad for that too. It has a wrap that's something around here. Again, you can make this a longer strap if you have a larger and really keep it maybe this longer strap. Actually, even I could bring it for more security around like this and make it tighter. But it's got the bottom band under my arm like this, and the top just comes across. So I have it thread through and around the chest. And that gives you some relief and heat if you have shoulder pain, rotator cuff, or upper back trap. So you can see that wraps really well around there. So you can have some versatility in how you use this. You could also lay it out flat and actually just use it as a regular heating pad too. You have the option, so you can also lay it out flat on your abdomen or on your back. So this is a really great versatile product that designed to specialize on hip. It can be used on the shoulders and actually also on the abdomen and the back. So I, as a massage therapist, definitely recommend this to my clients. I've recommended them the other regular mat in the past, and also to dancers. I think I would definitely need to be very happy with this. So this actually stores really nicely also. Here's all the components. You've got the plug, the transformer, the actual mat, and then the extra strap that you can use to extend the length of this or use it as extra brace. And it comes with a cute little bag, so you can put all the accessories inside. I travel a lot, and this is a really nice size. This would fit in your carry-on, even a very small carry-on. I actually put it in my small carry-on before doing this because I was traveling. So, and it's light, so that's also really great. This model especially, I think it's really portable. So another great feature about this product, and I highly recommend it.